who will lead the elephants out to the park every day, setting free, so they can interact with different groups of wild elephants and communicate and make friends. And letting feeding. All our orphans will be directed our base where they all spend the night. But after a long period of interaction and communication with different groups of wild elephants, the relationship between our orphans and the wild elephants becomes a strong bond, which means our orphans will be invited and adopted in these groups of wild elephants. And once they all get adopted, they will be trained by the wild elephants on how to stay back into the wild naturally